Hey y'all, welcome back to Southern Eats. I'm Amelia, and today I want you to imagine something. Walking into a family gathering, the smell of this dish hitting everyone, smiles spreading across faces, and people asking, "Who made this?" That's the power of good food. It brings people together. It creates memories. And right now, you have the power to make that happen. We're making the ultimate loaded Southern potato salad. This starts with the classic Southern version. Super creamy, full of that tangy mayo mustard flavor that tastes just like Grandma made. Then we load it up with crispy bacon, sharp cheddar cheese, spicy jalapeños, and fresh chives. It's comfort food leveled up. If you're ready to create something legendary, let's do this together. You've got this! First, let's gather what we need. Start with 3 pounds of medium russet potatoes. They break down just right for that creamy texture. For the dressing, 1 cup mayonnaise, Duke's if you can find it, it's Southern Gold, a 1/4 cup yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. Add-ins, 1/4 cup sweet pickle relish, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1/2 sweet onion chopped. For extra richness and that classic touch, add 4 hard-boiled eggs. Optional, but I highly recommend it. We'll chop 3 into the mix and save 1 if you want a sliced topping. Season with salt and pepper. And for loading it up, 8 slices bacon, cooked and crumbled, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, sliced jalapeños, fresh or pickled, adjust for heat, and chopped fresh chives. Simple ingredients, big payoff. Now who's hungry? Let's get cooking. Start with the potatoes. Cut each one in half. Place in a large pot, cover with cold water by about 1 inch, and add 2 teaspoons salt. Bring to a simmer, not a rolling boil, for about 20 minutes until fork tender all the way through. Why russets? They get crumbly and creamy. Perfect for Southern potato salad. The salt seasons from the inside, skip it, and it's bland. Drain well, let cool slightly, then peel and chop into bite-sized pieces. Run a knife through them gently. Some chunks are great for texture. This step is about patience. Good things take time, just like building habits or chasing dreams. While they cool, you're already winning. In a small bowl, mix the mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, sugar, and onion powder until smooth. This is the magic. Heavy on the mayo with that mustard kick, a splash of vinegar to brighten everything, and a touch of sweet. Pour it over the potatoes and stir gently. Fold in the relish, celery, onion, and chopped hard-boiled eggs. Taste and add salt and pepper. If you're skipping eggs, it's still delicious, but they add creaminess and make it feel like Grandma's. Cover and refrigerate at least 4 hours, or up to 48. The flavor gets better with time, just like you do when you keep showing up. Now the fun part, loading it. While the salad chills, cook the bacon until crispy, drain, and crumble. When ready to serve, give the salad a stir. Then pile on the shredded cheddar cheese, crumbled bacon, sliced jalapeños, and chopped chives. Sprinkle a little paprika if you want that classic look. Look at this transformation. The creamy base gets crunchy, spicy, cheesy perfection. It's like a loaded baked potato met Southern potato salad and became family. A few tips. Make ahead, it tastes even better tomorrow. Store in an airtight container up to 4 days. Customize the heat with more or fewer jalapeños. Y'all, cooking this isn't just about food, it's about taking time for yourself. Creating something from scratch, and sharing love. You have the power to make moments special. This dish will remind people of home, of family, of good times. Give it a try. You'll feel proud when they say it's the best they've had. This ultimate Southern side item would go so well with our fried chicken recipe, pork chops, or meatballs. Southern Eats family, thank you so much for hanging with me for another incredible down-home recipe. I made this last weekend for my family, and they loved it. If you make this loaded Southern potato salad, tag us Southern Eats. I want to see your creations. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more Southern recipes that bring people together. Drop a comment. What's your favorite topping? We'd be so grateful if you would share this recipe with someone who'd love it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Keep cooking with heart. See you next time on Southern Eats.